In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste formulas in Excel without changing cell references. If you've ever copied a formula the usual way, selecting the cell and pressing copy, you've probably noticed that Excel automatically shifts the cell references to match the new location. That's great when you want relative references, but not so great when you need the exact same formula to stay intact. The trick is simple. Copy the formula text itself from the formula bar, not the cell, so Excel doesn't try to remap anything for you. Start by clicking the cell that contains the formula you want to reuse. You'll see the full formula appear in the formula bar at the top of Excel, just above the column letters. That's the editable text version of your formula. Click into the formula bar to place your cursor there, then select the entire formula. You can drag your mouse across it or use a quick keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+A while your cursor is in the formula bar to highlight everything. On Mac, use Command+A. Now copy it using Ctrl+C or Command+C. This step is crucial because you're copying the literal text of the formula, not the cell with its relative references. If you see a moving dashed border around the original cell, that means you copied the cell itself. Press Escape and try again from the formula bar. Next, click the cell where you want the formula to go and paste with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Press Enter to confirm. Because you pasted the formula text, Excel won't adjust any references. It will keep them exactly as they were typed, whether they're relative, mixed, or absolute. This is especially helpful for complex formulas with specific sheet references, structured references, or named ranges that must remain unchanged. After pasting, you can make any targeted adjustments to the range directly in the formula bar. For example, if you pasted a sum formula and only want to tweak the start or end of the range, click into the formula bar, edit the addresses you need, and press Enter. This approach gives you complete control. Your formula arrives intact, and you change only what you intend to change. A quick tip for future workflows. If you know you'll be filling or dragging a formula and you need certain references to stay put, consider converting those parts to absolute references by adding $signs, like $1. That way, even if you copy normally later, those locked references won't move. That's it. Click the source cell, copy from the formula bar, paste into the destination cell, and then adjust the range only where needed. It's a small shift in habit that prevents a lot of unexpected results and keeps your spreadsheets consistent and reliable.